to download and install WhatsApp on PC Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am excited to share a simple tutorial on how to download and install WhatsApp on your Windows 11 PC for free. Yes, you heard that right. You can use the WhatsApp application directly on your desktop, making it easier to stay connected. Let's get started. Go to the Start menu and from there click on Microsoft Store. Here in the search bar, you need to search for WhatsApp. Click on it. And once you're there, you need to click on WhatsApp applications over here. Then you can see the install option over there. Simply tap on it. And you need to wait for some times until the installation is done. Once the app is installed, click on Open. And you need to click on Get Started. Now, you simply need to open your WhatsApp on your mobile phone, and then after you have done that, you need to tap on Link a device on your mobile phone. Then you need to simply scan this QR from your mobile phone. Once you have done that, you will be logged into your WhatsApp applications and all of your messages will be updated on your PC. It's that simple. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded as well as logged into WhatsApp on your PC. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.